Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your voicemail recording to a campaign. Okay, so from your high-level campaign, head on over into Marketing and Campaigns. So let's say from our first-class follow-up sequence, which we've gone through in other videos, say if you want to add a voicemail to that follow-up sequence, so let's go into here, our first-class follow-up text campaign. Come down the bottom and press on Add Event, and we can actually choose our voicemail. So to test the audio file, you can press play here. Just make sure it's playing, and then once that's done, you can press save. And obviously just add in a schedule here, so we'll do after, say, 40 minutes. And we can customize the time there, so let's go back into edit, custom time, and we go exact. Let's make this 10:04 a.m. and we get rid of Saturday and Sunday. There we go, press save. There you go, so you've got your voicemail there. Now keep in mind that it works, they say it works between 70 and 90% of the time, so keep that in mind. So it won't always work, because it depends on the actual client's carrier and how it responds to the voicemail. So what it does, just to explain what the voicemail does, it will just do a very quick ring and then it'll ring again. So it just sort of tricks the system, most phone systems anyway, or phone carriers, and it leaves that voice message for them so they can click on there, hear the voice message, and it sounds like you've just recorded it for them as if it was a one-on-one phone call. But this is doing it all for you on automation. Great stuff. I'll see you in the next video.